The NJUST, Engaging with Just Sustainable Transitions Program, a strategic collaboration between Norwegian University of Science and Technology and Universitas Gadjah Mada, are exploring pathways toward a more just, sustainable future. This initiative brings together graduate students from the Politics and Government Master Program UGM and their peers from the Department of Geography and Social Anthropology and TNU to join the Political Ecology course at the Department of Politics and Government in UGM Indonesia. Through an immersive field course, these scholars move beyond theoretical discourse to engage directly with the landscape. It is here on the ground that they confront the complex political ecology and the lived realities of the global energy transition.
We went to a hydropower station for a small village, which was very interesting. We have a lot of these hydropower stations back home, but in much larger scales. So it was very interesting to see that it was doing the same but in smaller scales, but it kind of had a huge effect on the village. And very interesting to talk with the local people and how it affects them and, for example, reduces costs.
PLTMA itu mikrohidro tipe propeller, kapasitas 18 kW. Nanti di kita turbinnya ada yang tipe ALC, ada yang tipe LGC.
Hari ini kita ke Dieng untuk belajar banyak melihat tentang realitas di lapangan tentang bagaimana energi geothermal dikembangkan dan dibangun di Indonesia. Dan apa saja impact-nya secara ekologis, impact-nya secara sosial maupun impact-nya secara ekonomi tentunya. Kita sedang ada di salah satu area power plant geothermal yang ini disebut sebagai mini power plant. Jadi ini adalah tempat di mana proses produksi energi dilakukan, ada turbin di sini yang dihasilkan dari panas bumi.
We think it's a very good thing, but at the same time, when you see the impact on the local people and how it affects the farmers and the farms here, and also the smell is crazy. It's smells like rotten eggs a lot of places, and also the pipelines creating a loss of nature and disturbing a lot of farmers' areas is very weird to see and sad to see how much of a bad and negative impact it has on the farmers here and the local people, and also that the government doesn't really do anything about it.
Honestly, I just feel sad in many ways. Because you just feel like the locals get all these promises and they get told all this stuff that will get better, but we only see mostly like negative effects of what is happening.
Kegiatan field trip kali ini kita datang ke Desa Wonocolo di Kabupaten Bojonegoro untuk melihat langsung bagaimana lokasi penambangan minyak artisanal yang secara langsung dilakukan oleh masyarakat di sekitar wilayah penambangan.
Saat ini saya ada di titik 105 di mana kita bisa melihat view pemandangan sumur-sumur tua yang ada di Wonocolo ini kurang lebih sekitar 725 titik sumur. Dan perlu teman-teman ketahui bahwa wilayah Texas ini mempunyai luas kurang lebih sekitar 10 hektar.
Jujur pribadi, saya merasa mixed feeling. Ini pertama kali melihat bagaimana proses ekstraksi minyak langsung yang dikelola secara warga. Yang mungkin sebelumnya secara umum kita cuma tahu ya minyak dikelola sama Pertamina menggunakan alat dan infrastruktur yang canggih gitu.
Salah satu hal paling menarik hari ini yang aku lihat ini adalah oil rig di Bojonegoro. Kita bisa melihat bagaimana skala dari operasi ekstraksi minyak, kemudian bagaimana kita bisa melihatnya secara langsung real time. Salah satu prosesnya misalnya pelepasan gas berlebih di flare gas di belakang seperti itu.
So it's about the experience, but it's also about challenging maybe our mindsets. So if you see pictures of this, maybe you're sitting at home, you maybe think that this is really bad. But when you come here and experience the livelihoods of the local community, you see that the oil and gas is really important, and it's not all bad. So it's very good for their sort of economic and social standards. While it also has some challenges related to the environment.
Jadi, secara keseluruhan, kelas politik ekologi ini berusaha mempertemukan diskusi akademik baik yang terjadi di dalam kelas maupun di luar kelas antara mahasiswa Norwegia dan mahasiswa Indonesia. Dengan kunjungan ke 3 daerah penghasil sumber daya dan produksi energi, mahasiswa dari Norwegia dan Indonesia terlibat aktif dalam diskusi isu-isu transisi energi maupun perubahan iklim. Bahwa secara keseluruhan, isu yang terjadi di Norwegia itu sangat berhubungan erat dengan apa yang terjadi di Indonesia. Begitu pula sebaliknya.